aming napaglaman na matagal daw ang door-to-door delivery.
2 to 3 days daw.
At walang weekend delivery.
Introducing Zoom.com, Rush door-to-door delivery service. Magpadala ng pera from Zoom.com and in 6 hours or less, nasa Metro Manila na ito. 7 days a week at no extra charge. At super fast delivery to most of the provinces.
Zoom.com, I love it.
Stop waiting in line. Zoom it online for $4.99 and now with Rush delivery at no extra charge.
The Philippines has been called the Pearl of the Orient, rising star of Asia, but in the past years, we have just been overtaken by countries such as Thailand, Vietnam, even India right now. Ano po ba talaga ang problema? Bakit po ba hindi natin ma-reach ang potential ng bayang Pilipinas? Welcome to Kababayan LA. Today is the first of a 3-part series kung saan po pag-uusapan natin the Philippines' future through Philippine politics. This is Janelle So reporting to you from the Philippines. Right now, we are inside the Malacanang Palace kung saan po nakipagkita at nakipagkilala tayo sa pinakabagong Pangulo ng Pilipinas na si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino. But before that, we attended his inauguration and here's what happened. Overseas Filipino workers from the U.S. flew thousands of miles across the Pacific Ocean to witness this live. And why not? This event is one for the books.
Well, like everybody else here in the hotel, we're here in the full support of the Noynoy Aquino.
Why is that?
Well, I think he needs our support. It's not just him that's going to do all the work for us. I think it's everybody, all the Filipino community worldwide. We need to support him. And not just his administration, his staff, it's the whole Filipino community worldwide.
It was one of the most inspiring moments this morning. I was standing in front of the grandstand and listening to him speak. And I was just so overwhelmed. The one word that described to me his speech was taas noo. You know, when you are able to hold your head high, that, you know, we did it. We were able to stand up to all the corruption that has happened. It seems almost impossible because corruption is so endemic, is so ingrained in the Filipino culture that it seemed an impossible dream a year ago that this would happen. It was all set that the people who were so corrupt would have the money to win and buy the election. And it didn't happen. And instead, you know, and I keep pinching myself and I know I'm awake. This did happen.
The swearing of the 15th President of the Republic of the Philippines was a spectacle that had all the elements of a grand production. Dinaluhan ng mga bituin ng Philippine show business na mga lalo pang kuminang sa kanilang mga terno. Nagpakita at nagbatian ang mga magkakaribal sa politika. Nagbahagi ng talento at galing sa musika ang mga piling mang-aawit. Ngunit ang pinakaabangan sa lahat ay ang talumpati ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino.
Saan ba nakasulat na kailangan puro pagtitiis ang tadhana ng Pilipino? Ngayon, sa araw na ito, dito magwawakas ang pamamunong manhid sa mga daing ng taong bayan.
Sincere words in the Filipino language and some colloquial Tagalog terms like wang-wang stood out from the sea of yellow at the Carino Grandstand. And while people had mixed reactions about parts of the speech, the delegates of Overseas Filipino Workers for Good Governance Convention were united in saying they were pleased with what they heard. We're still here in Malacanang Palace and you are still watching Kababayan LA. Kanina po napanood natin ang inauguration ng pinakabagong Pangulo ng Pilipinas. But of course, after inauguration, first day in office, what comes next? Yan po ang susunod sa ating programa. Don't go away.